Various aspects of perception. Perception includes 5 senses. We can remember as T square and S cube. That is touch, taste, sight, smell and sound. Perception is defined as active process of selecting, organizing, interpreting information brought to the brain by 5 sense organs. In simple way, perception is interpretation of the outer world or things by using the sense organs. Psychophysics is the study of how physical stimuli are transferred into psychological expressions or impressions. Psychologists use thresholds to measure these events. There are 3 principles involved in the organization of perception are figure and ground relationship, counter and grouping. Perceptual process allows us to experience the world around us and interpret with it in the ways that are both appropriate and meaningful manner. The process of perception, example, visual perception, works by environmental stimulus, attended stimulus, image on retina, transduction, neural processing, perception, recognition and action. Let us see about few examples of faulty perceptions. For example, schizophrenia means abnormal perception of reality. Prosopagnosia, cannot recognize the faces, unable to recognize the faces. Okay, that is visual problem. Aphantasia, cannot visualize the things in our mind. That is, unable to visualize our own feelings in our mind. Other aspects or types of perception, they allow us to perceive things such as banana, lime, body, position, acceleration, perception of internal states. Many of these are multinodal and involve more than one sensory modality. Social perception is ability to identify and use the social cues about the people and relationships. Perceptual process is a sequence of steps which began with environment and other leads. Example, the process of transforming light that falls on your retina into visual images happens unconsciously and automatically. The perception acts as a filter which allows us to exist and interpret the world without becoming overwhelmed by the abundance of stimuli. A few forms of perception are size perception, depth perception, perception of moment and time perception. Perception depends on following factors. Situational factors like time, work setting, social setting, etc. Target, that is size, intensity, background, novelty, proximity, motion, etc. Perceiver, attitudes, motives, interests, experience and expectations. We perceive objects in different manner compared to their position in the environment. When we have to perceive moving object, we have to perceive and locate the sounds, voices, etc. The subjective factors of perception are age. Age is one factor. Children, youngsters and elders perceive things in different way. Attention plays a key role in perceiving things in a better way. Social and cultural influences and differences in them leads to perceptual biases like prejudice. So the other miscellaneous factors can be motives, needs, interests, values, past experiences, sense organs, brain functioning, emotions, learning the past experiences, self-concept and expectations. This is about various aspects of perception. Thank you.